So welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to be talking about a funnel system. One of the problems people have when they first get started with affiliate is they think that it's a scam or whatever, because when you first buy the program, you have to invest all this money. You have to buy funnels, you have to buy an email responder, you have to do all this stuff. It is a lot of work getting started. You have to work a lot of time, so a lot of effort in for the first 3 months. On the third month, you will start to see real progress. And after the fourth month, the fifth month, you can slow down to about 2 or 3 hours a day. But in the meantime, you have to work a lot. And one of the things you are going to need is a funnel system for most niches, because you really need to collect emails. You really need to put yourself in front of the audience and stay in contact with them. And a funnel is a way to do that. However, a lot of them push ClickFunnels or those larger programs. ClickFunnels is a great system. I use it for my other streams. For demonstration purposes, I am going to actually use this free version. I will show you in a second. Now, the reason we use this funnel system is because if you use ClickFunnels, which again is a great system, it is $97 a month. And when you're starting off, $97 a month is huge. Until you get to like month 4 or 5 and you start really making money and you want to add multiple streams, the free version of this software I'm about to show you will work fine. And even then, you can expand with them for cheaper to add more funnels, and it works just as well for the most part. ClickFunnels really does have a whole lot of bells and whistles, which are fantastic. I love using it, but again, starting off, this is fine. All right, so this is System IO. I will have a link below this video. If you want to type it in and go here yourself or whatever, make sure you add the E at the end of system, otherwise you'll end up someplace you don't want to be. To get started, simply click on Get Started for Free up here. If you have an account, click Sign In, and it will bring you to your dashboard. Now, we are going to be showing you, or we are going to be creating a funnel. I'm going to be showing you that. So click on Funnels, click on Create, and it brings up this menu. Now, first of all, you need to name your funnel. Let's call this one a test 1, and then it gives you 4 options. Evergreen Webinar, if you've ever been to a web page, it's a funnel where they have content that you're interested in, be it crypto or make money or whatever, and they're going to send you to a webinar. They will tell you to please select a day and a time that's convenient for you. This is what they're using. It's a very, very good tool for affiliate marketers, but getting started, we're probably going to try to want to build an audience. So this is what you do. It puts you in front of your target audience, hopefully, and you get their emails, allows you to promote your product, reinforce what it is you're trying to do. So click on that and click Create, and it will bring you to your first 2 funnel pages. 2 pages is all you ever really need. You can add extra pages if you want, but that'll work. First page, pick a template you can preview or select. We're going to select this one, make it easy. Now, when you go here, it's going to give you the name of the page. Now, no one's going to see this, but you can change it to landing page or something similar so you can keep your funnel pages separate, because if you are doing this long term and have multiple funnels, you will want to keep them straight. And this is the URL, the path you will copy and paste into your bio so that people can find this funnel. Then, of course, save, preview, edit. We are going to go to edit, and it brings you to the funnel page. Now, let's say you don't want something, click on it, go to the garbage can, click enter. It deletes that element. This is a large page. That works for everything. If you have all of this and don't want it, you can literally go up here, click delete, trash can, hit enter, and it deletes that aspect of the page. This one comes with a picture. Maybe you don't like the picture, click on it. You'll see it brings up the side menu. Here is the name of the picture with an X. Click on that, that will delete it. You could change the background color, the inner background color, the height. You can upload a new picture if you want. Want to change the words, just double click on what it is. let's say you just want to make your dreams a reality. There you go. And that's really all there is to it. Now you see the email thing here, the email login box. This is where they put their information in, but you have the button. Now the button on the first page will come up, say to next step. You can change it to a URL if you want to put in your custom URL, and that will send them directly to wherever you want to go. In most cases, you're going to have a landing page and then a bridge page, a thank you page. So you pretty much want to leave it on to next step. Once you're satisfied with everything, you can go and hit preview. It will show you what your page will look like to everybody else. So that's what you would do. However, you don't want it to come up with the generic name in the tab up here. So what you want to do is click on settings and scroll down to here, search engine optimization, SEO. Here you want to change the name to whatever it is that you want people to see. So let's say it's going to be make money online. I don't know. Whatever it is, type that in, put that in your descriptions, use it as your keywords, really optimize your search engine. And when you bring it up, it will bring up that in your tab. That's what people will see. So once you're done, hit save changes or exit. If you exit without saving, it will bring up this message telling you you have not saved it. Do you want to save? Click yes, and it will save all of your page. I don't need to save it. Now your second page is going to be your thank you page or your bridge page. So let's say you want to do this one. So you select this, select, and it comes up with this. You can change the name again, however you want, same options. We are going to go to edit and do the same thing all over again. You can click on the links to do whatever you want. You can add stuff. If you want to add stuff, simply click the content box and it adds a box. You can drag this up, down, wherever you want to, and put different elements inside of that as you wish. You can put a secondary button. Thank you for giving us your email, like it says here, for your subscription or for signing up, whatever it is. And then you can stick a second button here if you'd like to take them straight to the offer or one of the offers directly. It all depends on what you want to do. You can change all of this down here. If you have your own service, you could do it to Freelancer LLC, whatever it is. But that's what you do. You can change every aspect of it. Once you're done, again, hit preview, and it comes up all pretty and finished and how it will appeal to the public. Same thing, if you want to change the name, go to settings, the name that they see, and go down to where? Here, title. And change it to whatever it is you want to do. Once you're done, hit save or exit and then save. And then your pages are done, and it has again your URL path, your address. You can hit copy, it will copy that, and then you can paste that in your bio. Normally, you're only going to paste the first page. On the second page, if you do have a button, let's actually change that. Let's change the template because I want to show you here. I want to show you how to do that. So if you have your second page and it has a button like join a face group or it takes you whatever, if you click on that, it's going to give you the option now to open a URL, an address. So you want to type in whatever address you want. Let's say you want to take them back to bing.com. So if you do that, and they're up on there and you click on it, it should take them to whatever address you take in. So that is something to keep in mind. So when you do this, if you have a button, make sure you have that URL, that address correct, and test it. This allows you to test everything before you put it up there. Once again, save it. I don't care if I save it this time. And that's all there is to it. If you click on funnels, it now shows you your funnel system. It's created. You can go to dashboard and see your stats. And you can do this with other things. If you have emails, want to do a newsletter, you can create a newsletter. And it really allows you to do a lot of different things. I highly encourage you to use it. It is a free system and a great way to get started. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, any comments, by all means, leave them below. If you have something else you want to know, let me know, and I will be happy to show you. All right, thank you.